Okay, there we are. We're back. It's been a minute. Ivy, JD, hello, hello. How's it hanging? We're back. Still working on the kind of farming breeding system right now. And I drafted up this little, like what it might look like when you stumble upon them. Oh yeah, I'm doing pretty good, Work was not too bad today. Tomorrow's Friday. Almost at the weekend. How you doing? I've got this little patch. Doing okay? Hey, okay, it's good. That's good. And what I want to happen is when you interact with the NPC and you give them to Damnedmon, I want it to come in here and spawn those two, and then they'll just be kind of walking around, and hopefully they don't glitch out or anything like that. But hey, Joel, welcome. So that is the goal. I've also been working on a kind of like Power World's breeding system that has like the different combinations. Sorry, a little flashbang there, but so these two make this one makes this one. So doing a bit of doing that. It's a little boring, and there's a lot of combinations. I'm not sure if I want every single combination to have something, or take the easy way out and have some combinations, and then if there isn't a combination set up, it'll just say like they aren't getting along or anything like that. So you kind of have an idea that it's not working. But the flash is crazy. Sorry about that. I can't seem to get Google Sheets to go into dark mode, so we are kind of stuck with that. But I'll try and keep that off the screen, or I'll give a warning next time. But yeah, so that is the plan. So thinking we kind of want a farm spawn 1. So place that in there, and then that's just where the Damnedmon will spawn at. A game where combining creatures and whatever we have unique offsprings according to the original species. Exactly, yeah, that's like how Power does it, and I really like it. So kind of like doing that instead of like the whole Pokemon of like one of this one and one of the same one, and it makes the same one. So that is the plan. If that works, that is another thing. Okay, so we got our 2 spawn points. Now, it's been a while since I worked on it. I took a little bit of some time off. But, let's see. I think it was all handled in storage, or is it NPC dialogue? Okay, yeah, it's here. Dialogue 0. It's dialogue 1. Did that work out again? Let's mess around. Icing, hello, welcome. Okay, let's try that out. Day, okay. Yes, that pops up. Select that one. Every day. So then once we put those in and we close it, and they say have a great day. I want it to spawn those two. There. So I think that's in, where would that be? It might be in here. So when we transfer in, okay, so this is transferring in. NPC in range is equal to 0. Okay. Hey, last cyclone, welcome. Busy with something? Hey, no worries. I'm sure knowing Jaden is going to be in another drawn stream at some point. So if we do, we want to take, let's do hit actor, and I think I called it arm spawn 1. We want to spawn actor from class. We want to spawn a Damnedmon. Now we want to, there's got to be a location. Spawn transform location. Yeah, we go. Get location. Okay. Put that into there. And then we want to set what is it we want to set? I want to set their number, but what is it? What's the variable called? Mon number. Okay, yeah, there we go. Set number. And this will be the number from here. Now let's see if that actually works. Trying to use F to interact because we've been playing so much Power World. Okay, that is... Huh. So that didn't work. Okay, oh, maybe it's this one here. That's probably why. Okay, let's try that. Still spawns the rat. Why is that? And play. No. Should go here. What if we did a delay of like 0.5 seconds? let's try that. Maybe a bit of a delay, because right now it's probably doing it too fast. It's telling it, but it's spawned already, so it's going through that. But still splendid. Yeah, he definitely is. Definitely splendid. Hey, Holly Molly, welcome, welcome. Doing well, how's it going for you? Hey, pretty good, pretty good. Tomorrow's Friday, weekend's almost here. Can't complain. Let's try that again. Oh, whoops. Whoops. Let's try that again here. That looks like a rabbit still. Okay. What? Scene range. Stored. Swap Damnedmon number. Damnedmon number storage. Okay, let's see this here. Keep grabbing the wrong one. This one should work, guaranteed. Let's see. Huh. Oh, just didn't spawn anything. What? Okay. Why is that? Oh, is it? Who's here? See that again. Why? So why did switching that make it not work? Still grabbing it from the wrong spot, but what? Damnedmon storage. Get the swap. Oh god, I'm a bit rusty, guys. Sorry. Okay, let's see this. If we choose this guy. Okay. Surely it's this one. Not many more integers we can swap out here. It's gotta be this one. There we go. We got the right one. Took a bit, but we did it. Now let's just see. I want to see, does he just stay in this area? Or does he like bump up and like keep trying to go through it? Doesn't look like it. just stops. Oh, okay. That's a good sign. Stops. Nice. Okay, now let's work on getting that second one in. Let's see. So the exact same thing, just with farm spawn 2. Number, and we want to get it from the store number 2. Okay, now it should spawn our second guy. So we got the bird, we got Glidecore. Okay, wonderful. Okay, that is a good sign. Now what we need to do is, when we talk to her and when we take them back, we get them back now. However, they're still flying around. So what we need to do is, in our NPC, what is this here? Here's Damnedmon. Stored Damnedmon. One. Selector 2. That way, when we create them, we'll set them to. Do we have what the NPC is? Oh, we do. Okay, so we'll go set Damnedmon after 1. And we'll just do this here. Set store Damnedmon after 2. And then connect it here. That way, we've set the actor himself, so then when we take him back, we can quickly just call it to be destroyed. Okay. Hey, Scribble, welcome. We are working on kind of farm and breeding system here, getting things to spawn in the little ranch when we give Damnedmons over. So we set that. Now we need to go to, what do we tell them? was a while ago. Code's correct. I just want to make sure. Yes. 1, 2. Right there. Would you like to come back? Yes. Talk to her again. Ah, we forgot to add that. Okay. Because I think it works where if you have one in, after one, close, have a good day. Here, would you like to take her down? Yes. We got them back. Yeah. But we need to make sure that it gives us the second one back. Hey, have a good one, Fabric. Take care. Or sorry, I guess last cyclone. Have a good one, buddy. Okay. So we want to do first we want to do a branch to check if we actually do have a second stored Damnedmon. Why isn't it stored? So if that does not equal 0, meaning that they do have something, then we want to do this whole thing over again. So, just with the updated stuff. Go. And this one will be stored. On number 2. Just want to move that. This up. Connect this here. Stored. 2. So we want to get all the stats from when we're transferring. Set stored number 2 to 0. One last one. Set stored 2. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all we're needing here. Let's test that out. So we should... We'll put 2 in. Okay. Here, would you like them back? Yes. And then when we say to C, both there with their stats they have that to begin with. Okay, yeah, I just dropped like dummy ones in. Okay. That's good, that's good. Okay, so that is working. Now we just need to destroy them. We want it. What's the best way? I think we'll go like this, because this will do a check for us to make sure that that actually does exist. So, it's stored Damnedmon actor 2, and we just want to destroy it, not destroy session. Okay. Let's try from here. Destroy actor. There we go. And from here, what we can do is just shift this. Oh, whoops. Down. That. And then we'll destroy first actor. Get stored. Actor 1. Put that up there. Let's see if that actually works. So, yes. Put them both in. Day. There. Yes. There we go. They disappear. Let's make sure it works again. Okay. I was wondering about if we had to set the actor to 0, but I don't think we do. So, okay. There we go. That is working. Okay. So, I honestly, not gonna lie, thought that was gonna take a lot longer. We might have to switch over to the combinations. I'm sorry, it's gonna be a little boring. Or we can continue working on the world. Let me try maybe that. That might be a bit more enticing. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys feel? Combinations or work on the environment? What are you guys feeling? One might be a little more visual, but I'm down for either. I just have to move this barn. But I like how they kind of like. I was worried that they would like just like walk like this, up against like the fence. They just like hover into it and just like stop eventually, and then turn around and just do the same thing into the other fence. But it seems to be working fine. Yeah, they seem to be walking. You can hop in there with them. But I'll make an invisible barrier so you can't actually go in there with them. But now I was thinking, I want to have like, so like the egg. I don't know where I'd put the egg. Like right, maybe dead set in the center. But I was thinking like in here, like you can see it. That's why I kind of put these two like just to see what that looks like. It kind of looks weird, but like it's kind of like that where you can like see in. so like you know it's there, like after a certain amount of time, kind of thing. So I'm only just realizing that you are a rat. I'm very confused as to why. I'm honestly not really sure. I had a few models of like animals. I was like, I think that'd be kind of cool. Just to be like a rat. So I kind of went with it. Might change it, but I've just like been staring at him like this whole like development, like however many months. I'm like, he's just kind of part of the game now. I don't know if I could see another character. So might stick with the rat. But yeah, okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like an egg spawn in the fence? Let's see. What would that look like? What did I name the egg? Oh god. Egg breeding. Is it this one? Oh yeah, and then I could give it like cool colors. Yeah, probably not this one, but just like in whatever kind of material onto it that I feel looks good. Like might do like some types have like their own color. Like I don't know how I want to do it. I really like how Power does it, so I might like I don't know, mess around with like the colors of when it's spawned. And what's like translucent? Whoa, okay, that's actually kind of cool. Yeah, okay, so in the fence, in the barn. I kind of like that you can see it. But this one too. I don't know. Maybe leave them both out like that and decide. But yeah, I'm trying to think of like all the stuff that I want to kind of get done. The environment's the big one, like the world design and stuff like that. I like this kind of all grass. We got stuff walking around in it. Stuff like that. Starting town, I gotta figure out what I want to do with it, but this are little fish just chilling in this water. But yeah, I'm liking like the first slow level, or I guess the first route. But this, I don't know why this is here, but yeah, let's kind of build it out. We have kind of like idea over here. Hey Jerry, like what's gonna spawn where, kind of thing. Or at least kind of like a path. So we'll have like a wild area 1, wild area 2, then the first city with like a side road kind of thing. And like we have it kind of planned out like that way. Just gotta figure out. I am not a world designer, environmental guy, designer at all. So this is the painful part. But I think it looks decent, pretty good. I like it. These guys, I don't have a starter Pokemon, so I run into them, but yeah, I think it's coming together really nicely. That's the big one. The world. But I'm like hoping. I was thinking like I want like release date. I want like something to like push forward to. Like I booked off next Friday. Well, it hasn't been approved yet, but I hopefully have next Friday off because I want to do like a full like 8 hours work on the game instead of boring accounting, and just kind of going through like checklists of like what is still like left to do. Because let's see here, like there's some little battle things that still have to happen, and like obviously like the UI is very like prototypey, like definitely not what's gonna be like the final system kind of thing, but that's definitely something that I want to like. I think that'll be kind of last, like the all the UI stuff like this like definitely won't be like what's gonna happen kind of thing. Like this won't be the final product. So just gotta kind of figure out like what I want things to look like in the end of like a finished project. But yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Still trying to decide what I like better for the egg. But oops. Wait, I can't click on it because because it's translucent. Can't click on it. Okay. Let's see. I want to see what it looks like. More solid color. Maybe something like green. Probably not see-through. Pale green. Ooh, it kind of blends in with the world a little too much. Okay. Isn't that someone's face? What is that? Plant. Okay. Okay. Do I like that? Yeah, you know what? That's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, how do the pals react when there's something in there? Do they run into it awkwardly? Or do they walk around it? So where they're walking around it, it's not too bad. Yeah. They're not like running into each other like walking animation over and over. Okay, I think I'm set on that. Now I just gotta go through and find colors for each type. And what type I think the colors will be. So we got normal, fluffy, sharp, magic, bug, flying, plant, shadow, undead, lizard, and ghost. I guess it could be like, what would this be? Maybe shadow? is that complicating things too much? I think that's possible. Because they'll have types. Yeah, their type will say what it is. Damnedmon stats. Yeah, give type. I guess you only really need the type of what's being put into the egg. So yeah. That could work. Just get the Damnedmon stats. Or you take, where's the NPC? Because essentially what it'll be is this stored Damnedmon number. So whatever the number is, in conjunction with number 2, then yeah, and then I'll just determine, I'll have like a table or something like that that I can just go through and say, like, if, you know, this is what the Damnedmon number is for number 1 and this is what it is for number 2, then the egg, the Damnedmon that's hatching, will be that one. Okay, that actually shouldn't be too bad. Because what we want to do is so we want to make a eating timer. And what that will do is timer events, because I want to make one here called timer. It'll be an integer. Branch of a new variable called stop timer. Timer. And while stop timer is false or not true, what we want to do is timer event. Want to set reading timer I plus reading timer plus that. And make a delay, or let's say 1 second. And then if branch timer is less than 9. And we want to do the whole thing over again. So it's just like a timer, basically. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So, got less than 9. Is that? Okay, so. I want to make a egg spawn site. Egg spawn. Quick save. This, and I think when we brought the egg in, it was slanted like that. So what we want to do is rotate this 90 degrees. Let's give the egg, just for testing. Let's go red. I like that. Okay. Where are we? NPC. If it's over that, then we want to set the breeding timer to 0 and factor of class. I want to get the egg spawn. Get actor location. Spawn actor from class. Oh. Blueprint. Where are we here? Reading. To go back into the NPC, we want to spawn a breeding. Split this up. Oops. Split. There we go. And then just spawn it. And then want spawn egg. Make that breeding. That set. So we set that so when we need to destroy the egg. Yeah, that should. Breeding timer event. So if we go into, could be the farm. And we'll do that just on the second one, because if you just have one in it, it doesn't make any sense to do that. So if we go ahead and run it, so we do after, yes, this one and this one, close. And if we wait 9 or 10 seconds here, okay, it didn't rotate correctly, but it did spawn, so that's good. Um, okay, that is perfect. Just need to take this. That should fix that issue. This 9, 6. There we go. We are set. Now, I wonder if go back into Damnedmon because it's gonna be slow because we put that delay in there, even if it's just 0.5 seconds. But let's try that and see if they still keep their odd number that we assigned here. Okay. Let's try that out. They do not. Okay. That sucks. I wonder. This might be stupid. We could just. We're only spawning it. Could we? Oh, don't crash. Okay. If we just straight up. Ooh, I think we're getting mighty close to a crash. Here we go. Farm Damnedmons. Damnedmons. This. This. Oops. This. Here. Oops. Yeah, that should fix that. Wait, we compiled it yet. Okay, whoops. Oh no. Shit. Okay, let's go back into here and just do all this. this. Or does it still reference it? I think it references it. I think it's wrong. Okay. Hopefully it does not crash. A bit of a slowdown here. Okay. Oh, one of my tabs disappeared. Okay. That looks it. We're back to that. Let's reload everything here. Damnedmons. Starting. Okay, back into the UI. Storage. Okay, we might need to add. Okay, let's see if 0.2 will be slow enough. I just don't want it to interrupt like the flow of a battle is the only thing. Okay, 0.2 seems to work, and then yeah, they're walking around. That works. Egg spawned. Wonderful. So that starts that. Now the next one will be the NPC dialogue. I really shouldn't have done it this way, but that is kind of how it was done. But I think in here, before it says, would you like to take your Damnedmons back, we should say something like, if there is an egg, then we should say something like that. I have to fiddle around with it, but yeah, I think it might be a short stream today, guys. But thank you guys all for hanging out and chilling. It was a little slow, but got some stuff done. But yeah, thank you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one whenever that is. See ya.